Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans closed lower on Friday after reports that China will impose an additional 5% tariff on U.S. soybeans, bringing the total duty up to 30% starting September 1st. On top of that, crop weather looks mostly non-threatening as we head into September, but forecasts for the month of September are a little bit mixed, maybe kind of cool in some areas, increasing concerns about an early frost that were already there because of the historically slow planting pace. Corn is down. Reports are unconfirmed that China is also going to be putting a higher tariff on U.S. corn and sorghum imports. Corn, of course, also watching the weather in late development stages. And wheat was mixed, basically just consolidating while watching the very tail end of this year's U.S. winter wheat harvest and the advancement of the spring wheat harvest. Live and feeder cattle were lower ahead of the USDA's cattle on feed numbers, along with some pressure from the lower midday box beef. And there are the unconfirmed reports China is also going to be placing a new tariff on U.S. beef. And hogs were lower. Most months were down sharply, and including a couple of limit losses on concerns about demand from China, in addition to cash pressure. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.